Hi, my name is Nicte Barrientos, and I have been with the town of Hilton Head Island for 7 months. I work as an assistant planner of economic development in the community planning division. I started my career here at the town in August, shortly after graduating from Clemson University with a degree in language and international business. I grew up here on the island, and I knew that I wanted to come back and help make a difference in the community that has given so much to me and that has guided me to be where I am today. And I really couldn't think of a better place to start than right here at the town. Since starting at the town, I have been coordinating both the home safety and repair program and the sewer connection program. Funding for both programs are coming from the American Rescue Plan Act of 2021, and it has allowed the town to provide residents of the island with home repairs, removal of hazardous trees, demolitions, and sewer connection. I work with applicants on a daily basis, helping them through the approval process, answering any questions that they may have, and really just keeping them updated on the status of their application. I also coordinate site visits with both the town and contractors for both programs. I have also played a role in the research of the North Point project, conditions and trends assessment, and beach master plan. As a Spanish speaker, I have also been able to help our Spanish-speaking residents who come into Town Hall with translating and anything that they may need. I have really enjoyed my time here at the town, and I'm looking forward to grow here.